Hello, Bill with Artsway Manufacturing. I'm a design engineer with the Artsway Grinder Mixer product line. Today we're going to show you the features and benefits of the brand new 8215 grinder mixer, which is the largest grinder mixer in the United States. The 8215 boasts 215 bushel capacity, which makes for less trips across the yard and more efficient operation. Also, as you can see, I am 6 feet tall. In reference to this machine, you can see how tall it is, which allows for it to still fit into your average size machine shed. On the 8215, we've also added hydraulic feeder augers to fill the tank, which allows for smoother operation and fewer moving components. The 8215 boasts a tube frame for more rigidity and larger capacity of the grinder mixer, as well as bigger tires and wheels to allow for more stability and better roadworthiness. We have also added a different style of feeding system to our tank, which allows for a better mix and less waste of materials when entering the tank. Another added benefit is we're able to access hard to reach locations with this longer auger feeder. Another cool feature that we have on our grinder mixer is a centralized hydraulic valve system that allows for the use of a wireless remote control for your operation, as well as an oil cooler for more efficient running. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any more questions or need any more information, feel free to contact your local Artsway dealer, or you can also visit our website.